Hey folks, another S Group Daily Review video number 147. I know I've made a video in a while, been busy with a few things, but I want to give you guys an update on how I'm doing. So we got our earnings last night. It was 0.41%, as you see right here. And so out of these two amounts here, I made $90.32. So good. So it was a good earnings day. If I go to my investments page here, guys, show you guys how I'm doing here. So the S4X. So in, let's see, so 5 days has passed. And so out of 5 days, guys, I've made $226.98. Just having my money invested in the system. It's beautiful. So as you see, I am, my principal is 27,400. Right now I have $818.61 American up here. Actually, a member is going to be buying some of this the end of next week. Right now, the S wallet is down right now, so they're doing some major updates. Should be up, I think they said either sometime this week or next week, so no rush. But when that does come back up, or in the next week, worst case scenario, a member is going to buy this off of me. In my currency, this is about 1,100 Canadian, so just having the money in the system, guys. So my projection right now is I'm at 27,400. So it's now June 21st. So by around July 16th, which is when I think the investments expire. Let me see. Yep, July 16th. So that time I'm going to take another $800 reinvested back in. So I'll be at 28,200. That's mid July, and then mid August I'll be at 29,000, and then in September I think I'm just gonna bump it right up to 30,000, guys. I'm gonna go hard with it. So that's kind of my goal. I wanted to get to 30,000, and I was thinking, I mean, as time goes on, maybe next year I'm gonna get into the S4X Optimal and S4X Pro, guys. So just think you could have all three of these running at the same time, earning you money. The main difference between these three, if I didn't say in my previous videos, S4X is like low risk, low reward. So it's extremely low risk, basically zero risk, and you make a smaller percentage of money. S4X Optimal is kind of medium risk, medium reward, and S4X Pro is high risk, high reward. So those are the three different tiers. But like for example, S4X Pro to start 5,000, and the S4X Optimal is I think 2,000. Yeah. So you just think, guys, you can have all three of these running, just making money for you on autopilot every single day, 8 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday. It's unbelievable. So if I go back to my S4X, as you can see here, guys, I've made over $27,000. $27,242. That's my total profits. So some of it I reinvested, some of it I taken out, enjoyed. But yeah, that's kind of my goal. Is every month I want to be putting in like 800 to 1,000, keep growing my principal, and then yeah, just think a year from now, guys, I'll be making between 100, 150,000, or sorry, between 120 to $150 per day, I would say. I'll be making that in the system. So I just want to give you the guys this quick update. Things are running along real smoothly. As you can see, this company is really grown and expanded. Look at all the different areas: S4X, S4X Pro, S4X Optimal, real estate, liquidity mining, crypto, liquidity mining, S pharmaceutical, SIPO. You literally can have your money in all these different areas, guys, and just keep growing and growing and growing your account, building things up. It's unbelievable. Like when I started back in 2020 of October, it was just S4X. That's all that was in here. So just want to give you guys this 5-minute daily review video update, and so you can see how I'm doing. If you want to make passive income like this, guys, click on the sign up link down below underneath the description underneath the video. So that way you can be informed of all the updates and everything that's going on with my account and how I'm doing, and with the system. And also, my email is in the description down below. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and be informed of all the updates and everything that's going on with S Group in my account.